너를 처음 바라본 순간 나도 모르게 숨이 하고 외쳐 네가 모르게 Eureka 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 Eureka.
Hello guys, it's Alliyah again. Let's start the makeup with the concealer first. I'm using the Botanical Cream Concealer from Nature Republic to conceal and brighten up the eye bags. I only sleep less than 5 hours when I film this, that's why my face looks so tired, but no worries because this pretty and easy makeup will help me look awake already. For beginners out there, make sure to prep your skin first before you do any makeup on your face. For the foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Matte Poreless foundation for a flawless base. If you don't have brushes or a sponge yet, you can start with a few drops on your fingertips and keep adding more onto your skin until you're happy with the look. Next, I'm just gonna lock everything in place using this oil clear bottling pack from Face Shop to make sure that my makeup won't slide off. For my eyebrows, I'm using my drawing eyebrow pencil from Etude house. I like to fill in the lower part first to create the frame, and then on the upper part, I'm just gonna follow my natural brow shape and then connect it with the tip line. If you're new to grooming your brows, I suggest to start on a product that is easy to use. There are different types of eyebrow products out there, so start the one that you're most comfortable with. Next, I'll be using my Indie Cafe palette from Etude house. I'm taking a caramel latte shade as the base colors of my eye. Take the beige color shades and apply it on the lid. This will help slightly depuff my tired eyes. And then I'm gonna apply the chocolate latte shades on the inner and outer corner of the lid. Next, I'm taking the chocolate latte and the beige coconut shades to line the end of my lash line. This is a trick to pull our eyes longer and make it look a bit more bigger and awake. Don't forget to blend out the harsh edges. Next, I'm just gonna take the beige coconut shades again and just apply it 1/3 of my lower lash line. For the eyeliner, I'm using my smooth liquid eyeliner from Heroine. I'm just drawing a small wing eyeliner on my lash line. And then I'm gonna take the gold shimmer and apply it on my lower lash line to give my eyes a fresh and youthful glow. Next, I'm just curling my short lashes before I apply my mascara. For this makeup, I'm just gonna do a simple contour of my face. I'm taking a caramel latte and beige coconut to contour my nose. And then I'm also adding some highlight on some areas of my face for a soft glow. For the blush, I'm using my BlushCompact N from Stuart. It contains is 4 different colors, but I like to use them all together. The blush is less pigmented, but it's buildable, so that's fine for me. Just lightly pat the color onto the cheek for a natural and healthy glow. To achieve a gradient lip, I'll be using my Preferred Cushion from Sulwhasoo and lightly apply it over the lip. And then using my Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint, I'm just gonna apply it at the center of my lips, then smack them all together so the color will slowly blend out towards the edges. Alright guys, I hope you like my self-and-show student makeup look. Make sure to subscribe for my channel for more easy and pretty tutorial like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!